If you plan on freshening up your front end, searching for each part can be time-consuming and actually a little more expensive. Fortunately, we've got the perfect grill kit that comes with everything you need for your 1964 Malibu or El Camino. Hey, I'm Dennis and welcome back to our OPGI product feature powered by Resto Parts, Original Parts Group's in-house brand. Today we're going to be looking at our 1964 Chevelle and El Camino grill kits. Our complete kit includes the center grill, 2 headlight bezels, 2 headlight eyebrow moldings, upper grill molding, lower grill molding, and the front hood edge molding, all at a discounted price. Our grill and headlight bezels are manufactured from stamped aluminum, while the moldings are made from a roll-forming aluminum process, all using case-hardened steel tooling. This ensures an accurate part every time. All parts are finished with a bright dip anodizing for protection against corrosion. In addition, we take extra care in detailing our bezels with the factory-correct satin black paint where applicable. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more product features and updates. For more information on these and other great products, please visit us at opgi.com. Call us today or use our fast, convenient website. Buy direct with Original Parts Group and enjoy the benefits of shopping with the recognized leader in the industry with decades of experience, the highest in-stock ratio, a helpful and knowledgeable sales staff, and fast professional shipping.